Today I'm going to show you some of the useful keyboard shortcuts on your Mac while you are on the Chrome browser. This will definitely improve your productivity overall, and these are less used keyboard shortcuts, not the common regular ones, right? These are very less used. Okay, to start with, to go to the address bar to type something, you can press Command L and then you can start typing, right? And to reload the page, press Command R. This will reload the page. To open a new tab, you have Command T. I think this is very common, mostly people will know. And to open a new window altogether, Command N. Okay, and to open a private tab or private window, Shift Command N. This is your private window, incognito window. All right, and to zoom in and zoom out, you can press Command minus to zoom out or decrease the font, and to zoom out or zoom in, you can press Command plus or increase the font size. To reset back to the normal, press Command 0. All right, so to mimic this backward and forward buttons of a browser, you can press Command backward square bracket, Command backward square bracket. Similarly, to go forward, press Command right square bracket, right? Okay, so now let's see how do we navigate between the tabs, right? I have multiple tabs here, and I have two options to navigate. One is by the index, so that means this is first tab, this is second tab. If you press Command 1, it will take you to the first tab, Command 2 to the second tab, likewise 3, 4, 5 until 8. You cannot go to the 9th tab by pressing Command 9. Instead, it will take you to the last tab. So to go to the 9th and 10th onwards until n-1 tab, you don't have a direct indexed keyboard shortcut. You have to navigate using other option called Command Tab. So this will navigate sequentially through each tab, right? This is going forward. To go backward, you can press Shift and Command and then backward, right? There is an interesting option to search your tab. So for that, press Command Shift and A. The search tab will appear, and if you want to go to Yahoo site, just go type search and go there. Similarly, if you want to go to some other site, just say LK something is there, right? You can go there. So with this, if you have more tabs, you can directly search and go to that tab. And to switch between two windows altogether, right? I will open two windows. This is one window and this is another window. To switch between these two, we have to press Command and tilde. Okay, so you can observe here in this keyboard viewer, this is the tilde, right? So this is a very handy option when you have multiple windows opened. All right, so to minimize, I think we have Command minus. To close your tab altogether, you can press Command Q. This will close your entire browser, that is Command quit. So you have to press actually twice to quit a browser. This is to avoid any accidental closure. So this is the list I wanted to show. Some of them are like very lesser now, some of them may be very common.